Hello, welcome to Creative. My name is Brian, and this is my channel. This is the channel about creativity. Creativity is the ideas, the influence, and the beauty within your mind that lets you create things in the world that are amazing and awesome. Although, sometimes, they're quite not. And we're going to cover all of that, the whole process, the failures and the successes. We're going to hit every bit of it. This channel is not one that's just going to show you, hey, let's follow my steps exactly and get to a successful outcome. This is going to be more of, this is the whole process. I may succeed, I may fail, but you'll get to see it all as we move through our creative flow. This channel will be covering lots and lots of different things. It will be possibly some video games that I play, which would be mostly Ark, Conan, and Elite and Dangerous. I'm not very good at any of them. I'm not very good at anything. I'm not an expert at anything. I like to think I'm just a normal kind of guy which does normal kind of stuff, except that it's a little bit maybe on the geeky side because I do love my technology. Technology is what drives us forward today, and I want to share what I know and what I can do with you so you can see it as well. We're going to be making some video games in Unity. We're going to be doing some 3D printing. 3D printing is an awesome avenue to allow your mind to create reality. We're going to be using Blender 2.789, maybe 2.8 later, a date when most of my little add-ons for it are working for 2.8, which I don't think they are right now. But we have here, to do this, we have an XYZ DaVinci Pro 1.0, and that we have a Wanhao Duplicator 4X. We have a Creality CR10S5, which is a little big build plate that I've only printed little bitty things on. We have a K40 laser over there. We have an AlphaWise U20 Plus coming in. We have over here a printer that I was designed in Blender and created and then managed to blow up the ramps board because not everything is successful. We'll be covering lots of different things. We're going to be making just anything that can pop into my head. If you have ideas, please subscribe, put them in the comments below, and then I can try to create those too as time allows. This channel will have lots and lots of videos because I have lots and lots of ideas, and we're going to be going through them all over and over and over. We're going to be creating just an enormous amount of things, and I want to invite you to join me in this adventure as we go and create worlds of imagination. So, let's get creative.